Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2018 past question comments. Question number 12 says multilateral trade is carried out dash multilateral trade. When we talk about multilateral, the word multilateral simply means many, meaning many, multi. Then when we talk of trade, as we established in our previous lesson, it means the act of buying and selling of goods and services or products. That is what trade connotes. Then multilateral trade is carried out dash A between two countries only, B within many countries, C among many countries, D between neighboring countries only. The correct option here is option C, among many countries. Kindly take note of option B, within many countries. So it can't be within. The clause within cannot quantify the adjective many in this content, so it is among many countries. So multilateral trade or business or transaction takes place among many countries. As a matter of fact, we can refer to it as international trade. And when we talk of international trade, it is a trade that cuts across countries of the world. So that is, it involves many countries of the world. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.